Hi, good morning. Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2000 BMW. This thing is unbelievable. Little roadster. Paints, on a 1 to 10, I'd put the paint at a 9 plus. Very, very few flaws in it. I'll show you a really good close-up. Shooting an HD video this morning, so hope it's coming out for you. Bright red in color, leather. Stick shift, of course. Tires are in great shape on it. Overall, the car's in really, really nice shape. Mileage is just silly low. A couple little flaws in the roof. Not really a flaw, but like a stain, and I'll show those to you. Mostly because the roof's been down forever. Can't really blame it that way. Z3, that's a hot rod. It's a car we took on trade, so it's not like one we bought. The person traded it to us. They had it a few years. We serviced it at our BMW store over in Peoria, Illinois. A couple little rock chips, hopefully you can see that. There's a rock chip that's been touched up. And then a little rock chip here. So, that's what, if there's any flaws, that's what's wrong with the paint on it. Let me show you the rest of it. Looking at the roof's in really good shape. It's just got a couple of stain marks on it, and I'll show that to you. You got one here, you got one there, little stain mark here. But condition-wise, roof's in great shape. You got one little mark here on the back window. Of course, these are plastic back windows and can be replaced. You have to have an upholsterer do that. But this is a roadster. Why would you want the roof up anyways? Looking at the seats, they're in good shape. They show a little wear here on the side bolster, mostly where you get in and out. Of course, they are a power seat. Both are in great shape. $39,000 miles on it. AM, FM, CD player. Got heated seats, air conditioning, of course. It's a 5-speed. It does have cruise control on it. I mean, just a nice, clean little car. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.